Hello, and welcome to Text Messaging Tutorials. Today we're going to be discussing key features and also show you how to use our text messenger mobile application. Let's start by logging in. If you don't have the app yet, download the Wire2Air application available on the Android and App Store. This is the homepage where the user can have one-on-one chats with clients as well as start new chats with clients. To send messages to an existing chat, click on the chat header. Type in the message you wish to send in the message field. You can use the templates icons to use pre-saved templates. You can attach images by clicking on the image icon. Click Send. To start a new chat, click on the Start Chat icon at the top. Select the sender ID. Either type in the contact name from your list or type in a mobile number manually. Type in your message in the message field. You can add a pre-saved template. And you can also add images from your device or take new photos by clicking on the image icon. You can choose to send the message now or send it at a later time. To access other pages, click on the three-dot icon at the top. The next feature we're going to go over is the broadcast messaging screen. To send a bulk message, click on the speaker icon. Similar to creating a new chat, select the sender ID. Select the group or subscriber list. And type in the message. Click Send. Review the details and click Send. To check the status of your broadcast message, click on the three-dot icon and then click on the table icon. As you can see, you can check the status and all the details of the messages that were sent. Finally, to log out, click on the three-dot button and then click on the power button. Thanks for watching.